FastMCP 3 implements a declarative form handling mechanism that integrates client-side validation with server-side submission through a reactive component hierarchy. The framework's form component orchestrates input collection, validation enforcement via the required attribute, and asynchronous tool invocation through the CallTool action pattern. We're about to examine how this artifact initializes a form with structured input fields, configures priority selection through nested components, and establishes success feedback via toast notifications, all while maintaining separation between UI declaration and backend tool execution. From prefab UI, components import form input, select option, text area button. From prefab UI actions, MCP import CallTool. From prefab UI actions import ShowToast. With form, on submit equals CallTool. Create ticket. On success equals ShowToast and ticket created. Variant equals success. Input name equals title. Label equals title. Required equals true. With select name equals priority. Label equals priority. Select option low. Value equals low. Select option medium. Value equals medium. Select option high. Value equals high. Select option critical. Value equals critical. Text area name equals description. Label equals description. Button create ticket. This code demonstrates a declarative form building pattern using FastMCP 3's UI components. The form component acts as a container that automatically collects input values and passes them to a server-side tool via CallTool. When submitted, the form gathers all named input values title, priority, description, and sends them as arguments to the create ticket tool. The validation is handled through the required equals true parameter on the input component, ensuring client-side validation before submission. The onSubmit handler uses CallTool to bridge the UI and server, with success error callbacks, ShowToast providing user feedback. This pattern separates concerns cleanly. The UI structure is defined declaratively, while the submission logic and server interaction are handled through composable actions. The trade-off here is flexibility versus convenience. This declarative approach reduces boilerplate, but limits custom validation logic to what the components support. For complex validation, you'd need to implement custom handlers, which would require more code but offer greater control. The pattern works well for standard CRUD operations, but might need extension for domain-specific validation rules. Let's break it down. From prefab UI, components import form input, select option, text area button. Imports UI components from the prefab UI library, specifically form for container structure, input for text fields, select and select option for drop-down menus, text area for multi-line text input, and button for clickable actions. These components provide pre-built UI elements for form creation and user interaction. From prefab UI actions, MCP import CallTool. Imports the CallTool class from the prefab UI actions MCP module, providing functionality to invoke tools within the FastMCP 3 framework. This class is specifically designed for triggering tool executions in the MCP multi-component processing action system. From prefab UI, actions import ShowToast. Imports the ShowToast class from the prefab UI actions module, enabling the display of temporary notification messages in the user interface. With form, initiates a context manager using the form class, which typically handles form creation, validation, and submission in web frameworks. The with statement ensures proper setup and teardown of form resources, though the specific form fields or configuration aren't visible in this segment. This line alone indicates the start of a form-related operation block.
OnSubmit equals CallTool.
Assigns a CallTool instance to the onSubmit parameter, indicating that when a submit action occurs, the specified tool will be invoked. The exact tool and its behavior aren't visible in this segment, but the line establishes that submission triggers a tool call.
OnSuccess equals ShowToast and ticket created. Variant equals success.
Assigns a success callback that displays a toast notification with the message ticket created. Using the success, variant styling when the operation completes successfully.
Input name equals title. Label equals title. Required equals true.
Creates an input field named title with the label title that is marked as required, meaning the form cannot be submitted without providing a value for this field. The parameters explicitly set the field's name for form processing, the human-readable label for display, and enforce validation that prevents empty submissions.
With select name equals priority. Label equals priority. Select option low. Value equals low.
Creates a select drop-down UI component named priority with the label priority, and adds a single option labeled low with the value low. The select context manager establishes the drop-down structure, while select option defines one available choice within it.
Text area name equals description. Label equals description.
Creates a text area form field with the name, description, and a visible label description. This is a standard HTML form input element that allows multi-line text entry, typically used for collecting longer user input like product descriptions or comments. The name attribute identifies the field when the form is submitted, while the label provides user-facing text for accessibility and UI clarity.
Button create ticket.
Creates a button UI element with the label create ticket that, when clicked, would trigger an action to generate a new ticket in the system. The button serves as a user interface control for initiating the ticket creation workflow. FastMCP 3's declarative form handling shines here through its reactive component hierarchy. The form container orchestrates the entire workflow, collecting inputs, enforcing client-side validation via required, and triggering server-side execution through CallTool. Each component plays a distinct role. Input and text area capture user data. Select with nested select option handles priority selection, while button initiates submission. The onSubmit handler bridges UI and backend, using CallTool to invoke create ticket with collected form values, and ShowToast provides immediate feedback on success. This separation of concerns, UI declaration versus submission logic, creates a clean, maintainable pattern. The trade-off is clear: convenience for standard CRUD operations at the cost of flexibility for complex validation. By composing these components declaratively, you get a robust form system with minimal boilerplate, though domain-specific rules would require extending beyond the built-in validation.
The select gathers options it will never select, while the button dispatches forms it will never deliver.